Hi everyone, my name is Chef Paisley and today I'm going to show you how to make Chef Paisley's super cheesy mac and cheese. Hi, let's cook a special treat together. Come on, let's go. First, you'll need 2 tablespoons of oil. Then you'll need half an onion, chopped. That was funny. Now we'll have to cook the onions until they're a little bit see-through. You'll have to mix them around a little bit. It smells really good. In the kitchen, you always have to be careful of the hot stuff. It'll take about 5 or 6 minutes for them to get see-through. It's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Afterwards, we'll need 1 tablespoon of flour. Let's mix it again. The flour makes it nice and thick, so the mac and cheese is good. Very, very yummy. We cook the flour so that the mac and cheese doesn't taste like flour. Okay, now we'll need 1 3/4 cup of milk. Be very careful. Now let's mix it again. I see it thickening. Get all the way down to the bottom. Now that we've done that, we'll need 1 teaspoon of salt. That was not coming out well, but it was good. After, we'll need 1/2 teaspoon of granulated garlic. Now we'll need 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Don't worry, it definitely will not be spicy. And now we'll need 1/2 teaspoon dry mustard. You won't taste it. Now we'll need to mix it. I feel it thickening. After we add the pasta and the cheese, it'll be easy peasy. And we'll have to switch to the rubber spatula. Now we're going to wait for it to come up to a boil. That means bubbles coming up. Big ones. If it gets too hot for you, ask an adult to help you. I don't see any bubbles yet, but when you start to see bubbles, that means it's starting to boil. The last time I did this mac and cheese, it boiled pretty quickly. Wait, it's coming, it's coming. The boil is coming. I see the bubbles. Before you add the cheese and the pasta, you'll have to turn it off So now we are going to need 1.5 cups of cheese. You can really use any kind of cheese, even shredded cheese, or maybe slices of a block of cheese. Now we're going to add a 1/2 pound of cooked pasta. The good thing about the recipe is that you can make it in one pot if you have cooked pasta. Come on, pasta. Good. We are going to switch to the rubber spatula and stir. Be very careful with the pasta. We don't want to break it. This looks pretty cheesy. It's so thick. If you're doing it at the stove, then it will be kind of hard. You can't touch the pot. But if you do it in an Instant Pot, you can only touch the silver bowl. That looks pretty good. One more part. Now it's time for the taste test. These are my two sisters, Piper and Anna. Let's try it. That was so good. Right, sissies? Thanks for watching. Bye. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.